This is Flip Flops, a 2007 44 Sundancer, located here at the Brick, New Jersey MarineMax Marina. She is listed for sale for $299,000. You can see as we board, she has the bow teak along the swim platform and continues on into the cockpit. This camperback enclosure was just manufactured custom just a few years ago for the owners, to the owner specifications. As you can see, all the upholstery and vinyl is in excellent condition with no sun damage. This boat's equipped with a cockpit television. Electronics have been updated. Marine hybrid screen plus E120. This boat is equipped also with a bow thruster and autopilot and cockpit air conditioning. As we go below, you see the cherry interior. The television comes out of the ceiling and then remotely goes back up once you're no longer watching. Mid-stateroom. It's also equipped with a television. And this bed comes out, this couch comes out, converts into a bed. There's also a full wet head with private access from this mid-stateroom. When this pocket door is closed, it closes off this mid-stateroom for privacy. Up forward in the VIP stateroom, plenty of storage, nice lighting. The forward stateroom has a unique setup in that it has a separate toilet and sink area. And a separate shower on the other side of the companionway. This beautiful boat is listed for sale at the Bricktown MarineMax store. Please give us a call. I'll be happy to show you the boat. Thank you.